Hello, dancing friends. My name is D-Man Hadi, and you're watching TuttingAcademy.com. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about
Tutting Academy!
Thank you for signing up, and now your free gift
Tutting follow-up challenge
is waiting for you in your email inbox.
If it's not in the inbox, it's probably somewhere else. So you just move it.
So, who are you?
My name is D-Man Honey. I'm a tutting choreographer. I help hip-hop dancers master the art of tutting in order to become better dancers. I created a secret teaching technique that allows me to teach everyone how to dance tutting, from strangers in the street to little kids and to very old people. Welcome to Tutting Academy.
What is Tutting Academy?
I challenged myself to create the best tutting bootcamp online that I could ever create. I wanted to break the limits of teaching and make it possible for a 0% experienced beginner to become super advanced in the shortest time possible, in 30 days. It took me an entire year, 365 days. Every day I went to shoot new videos, always coming up with new ideas to simplify my teaching techniques. I worked night shifts, 5 and sometimes 6 nights per week to edit all of the videos, making them more and more fun every day. When I finally finished that project, I had 175 tutorials, and I used all of these 175 tutorials to create my biggest creation ever.
The 30-day tutting challenge! What is the 30-day challenge?
30 days, 10 minutes daily, 2 types of videos, tutorials and follow-up challenges. The tutorials will teach you important information about tutting dance. The follow-up challenges will be used as direct body training. Tutting Academy uses this method combined with NLP Master in order to subconsciously install tutting movements into your physiology. As a result, you'll be able to dance tutting automatically. In short, it means that your body learns tutting before you do. 2 types of videos, tutorials and follow-up challenges. 30 days, 10 minutes daily. Tutting Academy is all about wrist tutting and elbow tutting. You might ask, don't you need to be flexible? No, if you can do this and this, even out all the way, it's perfect. You might have a bad memory. Will you need to remember choreography? No! More than 100 follow-up videos to subconsciously implement the tutting positions into your muscle memory. That's right, the 30-day tutting challenge is all about freestyle. What about if you've never danced before? Will you need to have a background in dancing? Well, if old people can do it with 0% experience in dancing, and if little kids can do it, all of them strangers, then I suppose everyone can dance tutting. 30 days, 10 minutes daily. It's like a video game. Sign in with your phone every day, watch today's videos, and unlock tomorrow's videos. And in the end of this video game, you will become a tutting choreographer. And if not, 115% money back guarantee. That's right! If you'll finish the entire course on a 100% completion rate and will not be happy, you will receive 15% extra from my very own pocket. This is my motivation. I hold myself responsible for your success. If you fail, I lose money. That's right, guaranteed success. 115% money back guarantee. Everyone can dance tutting. Still, you don't know me. How can you really know I'm good for it? You want proof? Well, I get it. Okay, I'll give you proof. I think I can give you the ultimate proof. Your immediate success. 30 seconds tutting follow-up challenge right now. Please sit down quickly and place your phone on a table or on your knees. Sit down quickly. Ready? Have both of your hands free. Go to the base position and I proved Tutting Academy's success. You've seen my students' results. Do you believe I'm good for it? Because the next decision is up to you. If you want to join
Tutting Academy!
you can start right now. Tutting dancers!
For watching
This video